up, guys? Today I'm going to be unboxing the Intel Core i7-920. This is the C0 stepping of the processor. The Core i7s are Intel's newest quad-core processors. They use the new LGA 1366 socket, which replaces the older LGA 775 socket that was used on the Core 2 Duos and the Core 2 Quads. And there's a new chipset that's been developed for this processor, and that is the Intel X58 Express chipset. But if we take a look at the box, this is the front of the box. Here is the back of the box. This is the left side of the box. This is the right side of the box. I'll go ahead and flip it over and zoom in so you can see the label. This is the top of the box with the processor right there, and that is the bottom of the box. If we take a look at the label, the thing I wanted to point out is how you tell if what revision your CPU is, besides looking at like CPU-Z. Like if you're in the store, you just go ahead and look at the S-Spec number right here, and you can see this one right here is SLBCH. Then you can take that number and go to processorfinder.intel.com and you search that keyword, and you'll see which processor revision you have. In this instance, this is the C0 stepping. If you're in the store looking for the D0 stepping, the S-Spec number you want to look for is SLBEJ, and that is the D0 stepping. But I just want to show you all that real quick. Let's take a look what's inside the box. Alright, I went ahead and opened the box and took everything out. What was included in the box was the installation instructions and warranty information. And on the back of this is a chassis sticker, Intel Core i7. Then we have the stock Intel CPU cooler and the processor on the top. Here's a look at the back of the packaging for the processor heatsink. I thought I'd go ahead and take a look at the stock Intel CPU cooler. I'm not going to be using this for my i7 build, neither would I ever probably use it, but I thought I'd go ahead and show you anyways. The fan connector on it is a 4-pin fan connector, and with that you can have PWM fan control, which all that means is the fan speed will be dependent on the CPU temperature. So that's kind of cool. And then on the back you can see the heatsink. I'm assuming this is all aluminum here, and then the base is copper with a little bit of pre-applied thermal compound. Go ahead and tell you a little bit about this processor. This is the Intel Core i7-920. It is a 2.66 gigahertz quad-core processor. The bus speed is 4.8 gigatransfers per second. The L3 cache size is 8 megabytes. It was built on the 45 nanometer process. The stepping is the C0 stepping. The TDP for this processor is 130 watts, and the thermal spec is 67.9 degrees Celsius. And the VID voltage range is 0.8 volts to 1.375 volts. Here's a closer look at the top of the processor, and here's a look at the back of the processor. Like I said before, this is the LGA 1366 socket. So there you have it. This has been a quick unboxing video of the Intel Core i7-920 C0 stepping. I'm going to be using this processor in a Core i7 gaming PC build for a client. If you haven't seen the previous videos, I have an unboxing video for the Core Master Storm Sniper case, and I have a hardware overview video for all the hardware components that I'm going to be using for this build. So make sure to check those out. I'll put some links in the sidebars. I'll have more unboxing videos to come probably by the next couple days, and then I'll have some videos of me actually putting the PC together, so stay tuned to my channel for more. See you guys later.